Welcome to the class beta. I am going to teach you today BODMAS. This BODMAS is used in the question related with the simplification. Let's see about the BODMAS. B in the BODMAS, B stands for bracket. O stands for off. Off means multiply. If there is no digit between the bracket and digit, no sign between the bracket and digit, the sign will be assumed as off, and off stands for multiply. And D stands for divide, M for multiply, A for addition, and S for subtraction. We have to follow this sequence. That it means if in simplification there are too many things together, we have to follow this sequence to solve. That means first we have to solve bracket, after that off, and then divide, then multiply, and then addition, and then subtraction. If we will solve this subtraction first and then bracket, then addition, then off, our method will wrong and the answer will also wrong. So you have to follow this sequence of the BODMAS. Is that clear? Now in brackets are also of 4 types. That means line bracket, round bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket. First we will solve this line bracket, then round bracket, then curly bracket, and then square bracket. We have to follow this sequence also. We can't solve first square bracket and then line bracket and then curly bracket and then round bracket. We have to follow the sequence in brackets also. Line bracket, then round bracket, then curly bracket, and then square bracket. And after that this divide, multiply, addition, and subtraction. Up to here you are clear, beta? So now let's solve one question. Here you are seeing the question, there are too many things. Plus brackets, line bracket, round bracket, curly bracket, square bracket, divide, everything is there. So first we will solve this line bracket. Line bracket, 18 minus 14 means 4. All the things will remain same. We have solved this line bracket. All the things will remain same. After that, we will solve this round bracket. 2 into 7, 14. Again, all the digits will same. After that, we will solve this curly bracket. 34 minus 4 is equal to 30. And here you are seeing in the square bracket, there are 3 things. So first we will solve which sign? We will solve this multiply sign, 6 into 12. So 14 plus 3 into 30. 3 into 30, this multiply sign from where we get? If there is no sign between the digit and the bracket, the sign will assume as off, and off stand for multiply. Here we have solved this 6 into 2, 12 plus 17 minus 14. After that this addition, 12 plus 17, 19. All the digits will same and sign will same. After that this 29 minus 14, that is 15. All the digits will same. Again there is no sign between the digit and the bracket, so sign will assume as a off. Off means multiplication, so we will do this both multiplication. 3 into 30, 90, and 3 into 15, 45. 40 plus 90 divided by 45. Now there is a 2 sign, addition and division. Which sign first we have to solve? We have to solve this division. 90 divided by 45 is 2. So the last step will be 14 plus 2, that is 16. So our answer is 16. So be clear about the steps. You have to go according to the steps. First line bracket, then round bracket, then curly bracket, and if there are too many signs in one bracket, first follow the BODMAS formula. Divide, multiply, addition, and subtraction. Divide is not there, so multiply, then addition, then subtraction, and then off, and then divide, and then addition, and then the answer is there. If you will follow the steps according to the sequence, you will never wrong. Okay? Clear? Got it, beta? Thank you. Thank you very much for this class.